Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus package and stimulus check update. Y'all, I feel optimistic about this. I still believe we will eventually see a $2,000 stimulus check. The question is when. Nobody knows this. The Republican side is dragging their feet. They say they're in no hurry, and their actions has proven it. But I still feel optimistic that we will see a $2,000, not the $1,200 one. I know today there was some Republicans with some news that they're going to be out until after Memorial Day and stuff like that. And there's another YouTuber making these videos, and he's jumped all over this thing with his drama. He likes to dramatize stuff so much because it's clickable. He can get you to click on his videos. This man needs the money bad. He gets so excited over it. He makes 6 videos a day. You probably know who I'm talking about. But I feel like we will get the 2,000. It's just a matter of when. They're talking, well, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, they sent out over 1 million debit cards to 2 different states. These are the people that didn't get their check from the first stimulus. It was the $1,200 one. If they was getting a paper check, they used a debit card and sent it out to them. Now, my question is, why would they go through the trouble of setting up this debit card with the PIN numbers and getting them printed, getting them sent out, getting a bank on board with them? Why would they go through this if they're not going to reload them? They're reloadable cards. So why would they do it if they're not going to reload them and do it on a bigger scale? They're doing it to those places, I believe, so they can work the kinks out of it, so they won't have the trouble that they had with the paper checks. It makes sense. I think that debit card that they sent out, I think that's a good sign of things to come. Mark Cuban is talking about they should give a debit card, and he was talking about this before this happened. He says they should give a debit card and every 2 weeks load $1,000 on it, and you have to spend it within that 2 weeks or you lose it. That lines up with what they're doing in those 2 states. So maybe Mark Cuban is onto something. We'll just have to wait and see. Nobody knows anything. But I'm not going to over dramatize this stuff like this other person is doing just to get clicks. If you like my content, if you like my style of delivering the information, please subscribe to my channel and keep coming back. I'm making these videos every day. But I do think we will get the $2,000. If we don't, I'm going to call for people to come out with total rebellion against the system. If we come back to them, I mean, it's what they're pushing us to do anyway. Because if they don't give people the money to help them, you're going to get looting. You're going to get riots. You're going to get total destruction of cities and towns, neighborhoods. And I don't blame people a bit for doing that if it comes to that. If they don't help us with the stimulus, I'm all for it. I'll be the first one out there. Y'all, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Give me your hate, give me your love. Just come back tomorrow and I got another video for you. And no, I am not over dramatizing anything. I love y'all. Ciao.